Hey guys, this video is for demonstrating the Bluetooth senders. Firstly, we need to introduce our senders SI direction. Our sender is use the right hand rule as the coordinate system. And this line, this will be the X axis. Okay. And this arrow pointing to the west is Y axis. Okay. And this label pointing up is Z axis. Our coordinate system is ENU system, which means when the S pointing to the east, S arrow pointing to the east, Z pointing up, Y pointing to the precise north. And this means the true direction is Y axis pointing to the north. So as you can see, there is 9 degrees arrow when pointing to the north. We need to do the magnetic calibration. And now let's start the magnetic calibration. Before calibration, you need to make sure the sender is stay away from the magnetic interference, including mobile phones, computers, or the desk made of metal. And now we start the rotation. Hit that magnetically and start the calibration. Hit OK. And firstly, rotate the x-axis. S-axis pointing to the east and the label pointing to yourself. Okay, start slowly rotate. And now turn Y-axis pointing to the east and the label pointing to yourself. Z-axis pointing to the east and the label pointing to the east. Okay, hit OK. Save the parameters. Okay, and now as you can see, the Z-axis having 90 degrees here in this position, and let's rotate Z-axis 90 degrees. Okay, after you rotate the Z-axis to this position, and as you can see, you can find the Y-axis. Okay, 1 degrees when the Y-axis pointing to the north. Okay, and this is the judgment when you finish the calibration whether the results with good performance. And let's say we rotate the Z-axis back to the 90 degrees like this one, and then we prove it again. Okay, and this is the magnetic calibration process and judgment. Thanks a lot for watching the video.